Welcome to Summarize Science, where we break down complex research into simple terms. We all know that AI language models are getting incredibly smart, but they still have a major weakness. They can fail on complex reasoning tasks because of one small mistake in their chain of thought. It's like building a beautiful tower of blocks, only to have it all tumble down because the first block was slightly crooked. Existing methods for AI self-correction are often clumsy, forcing the model to reevaluate its entire answer at once, which isn't very effective. But this paper introduces a brilliant new framework called Socratic Self-Refine, or SSR. Just like the philosopher Socrates, it teaches an AI to question everything, especially its own thinking. Instead of generating one long stream of consciousness answer, the AI first breaks the problem down into a series of smaller, individual questions and answers. This is the core idea, decomposing a big, complex problem into bite-sized, verifiable chunks. Here's where the magic happens. For each tiny step, the model pauses and essentially asks itself, am I absolutely sure about this one part? To check its own work, it resolves that one small sub-question multiple times. If it keeps getting different answers, it flags that specific step as unreliable and having low confidence. In this example from the paper, the model initially makes a mistake counting highway segments. The standard self-refine method gets confused and actually produces an even worse answer. But the Socratic method precisely identifies the inconsistent step, assigning it a confidence score of 0. Once the weak link in the reasoning chain is found, the model can focus all its effort on correcting just that one specific error. This targeted refinement leads to a new, corrected line of reasoning and, ultimately, the right answer. And the results are incredibly impressive. Across several challenging math and logic benchmarks, the SSR method consistently outperforms other state-of-the-art techniques. This chart here on the left of the page shows the key takeaway. The green line, representing the Socratic method, achieves a much higher accuracy for a significantly lower computational cost compared to the standard model. It's not just better, it's also more efficient. This shows that even when given more chances to refine its work, the Socratic approach continues to improve while older methods start to plateau. So, let's quickly recap what this all means. Researchers have developed a method that teaches an AI to act as its own meticulous tutor. By breaking down problems, questioning each step, and precisely fixing only what's broken, the AI can reason far more reliably. This is a fundamental shift from just checking the final answer to verifying the entire thinking process. The future implication is a big step towards more trustworthy and transparent AI. Imagine AI assistants that can rigorously double-check their work before giving you a response, making them more dependable for everything from scientific research to everyday tasks. This Socratic approach helps turn the AI's internal reasoning from a black box into a process we can actually understand and trust.